My name is Reverend A10 Higgins, and I am the creator, chef, and monk behind this channel and the sister website, TENZO'S.com. For those of you who don't know me, which is, I'm assuming, the vast majority of you, I just wanted to take a moment to introduce myself and sort of let you know why I decided to start out on this journey in the first place. In 2013, I sat down with the not so small task of trying to determine what's the best use of a human life, and that ended up for me producing a very succinct but powerful statement. Through my thoughts, words, and actions, be of service to others, and by those same thoughts, words, and actions, inspire others to do the same. Essentially what I was doing was saying that my mission was the very same as the Mahayana ideal of the Bodhisattva Path. Fast forward to 2024, I was actually lucky enough to receive the blessing and the recommendation of my teacher to be able to attend Enryakuji Gyōin. So I went there and I underwent my training, and it was grueling in many ways, mentally, physically, spiritually, of course. As we were leaving the halls that we had called home for the past 65 days or so, the leader of the Gyōin posed a question to us all. How will you take what you've learned here and use it to help others? The answer to that question came one day. So my profession as a chef is the means, and my training and commitment to the Bodhisattva Path is the motivation